Okay students, we are going to start our new exercise 3B. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Part A. The fraction with the numerator 1 is called a dash fraction. Dear students, we know that fraction with the numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. B. Mixed fractions have a dash number and a dash fraction combined. Now, mixed fractions have a whole number and a dash fraction combined and a proper fraction combined. See, in an improper fraction, the numerator is dash than the denominator. Dear students, we know that improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So, in an improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. D. In a fraction, if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then it is a dash fraction. Now students, we know that if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then it is called proper fraction. Now, 3 whole 7 by 9 is a dash fraction. Dear students, we know that a mixed fraction is made up of a whole number and a proper fraction. अब जहाँ पे हमारे पास 3 एज अ होल नंबर है, 7/9 फ्रैक्शन हमारे पास प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है बिकॉज इसका न्यूमरेटर स्मॉलर देन डिनोमिनेटर. So 3 whole 7/9 is a mixed fraction. Question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. A. Improper fractions can be converted into a mixed fraction. Yes students, we are already discussed. Look, convert 69/4 into a mixed fraction. 69/4 is the improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. So the improper fraction can be converted into a mixed fraction, so this statement is true. B. 85/7 can be written as 12 whole 1/7. Let's check because so 85/7 is a improper fraction. Let's check. 85 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 1, 5, 7 twos are 14, remainder 1. Yes, we already know that the quotient became the whole number 12 and the remainder become the numerator and the divisor become the denominator. So we can say that 85/7 can be written as 12 whole 1/7. 85/7 can be written as 12 whole 1/7. Yes, this statement is true. C. 1/6, 2/9 are improper fraction. Dear students, we know that improper fraction is equal to or greater than the denominator. This question, 1/6 and 2/9 numerators are smaller than the denominator, so these fractions are called proper fractions, not improper fractions. So this statement is false. नाउ डी।
डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लुक, हमारे पास यहाँ पे 3 बॉक्सेस गिवन है और हर बॉक्स में इक्वल पार्ट्स हैं 8. फर्स्ट 2 boxes are colored completely and in third box how many boxes are colored? 1, 2, 3. थर्ड बॉक्स में हमारी जो फ्रैक्शन बनेगी 3/8. नाउ वी ऐड 1 + 1 + 3/8, 2 whole 3/8.
So this statement is true. E. The combination of a whole number and an improper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Dear students, we already know that mixed fraction, the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, is called a mixed fraction. So this statement is false. Question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. A. 456/13 can be written as 35 whole 1/13, 35 whole 1/13, 35 and 1/3. So let's check. Question number 3, part A. 456 divided by 13. 456 divided by 13. So now we will multiply by 13. Now we will multiply 13 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So 13 3s are 39. 3 15. 15 minus 9 6. 13 को हम अब 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 5s are 15. 1 कैरी. 5 1s are 5. 6 65. So 13 5s are 65 minus, so the remainder is 1. Now the coefficient become a whole and remainder become a numerator and divisor become the denominator. So 35 whole 1/3. So yes, 35 whole 1/13 is the correct answer. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 ऑप्शन एक जैसी आ गई हैं. सो इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. 1/5 is a unit fraction, an improper fraction, a proper fraction, a mixed fraction. Dear students, we already know that fraction with the numerator 1 is called unit fraction. So unit fraction. Now see, 6 whole 1/7 can be written as. Dear students, हमारे पास ये हमारे पास मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है. हमने इसको इस फॉर्म में लेकर आना है. वी मल्टीप्लाई द होल नंबर बाय द डिनोमिनेटर. 7 6 are 42. Now add the numerator to the product. 42 plus 1 is equal to 43. So the denominator will remain same, 43/7. So the correct option is 43/7. D. 3/7 is an improper fraction, a mixed fraction, a unit fraction, a proper fraction. Now dear students, look, improper fraction में हमारे पास न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होता है डिनोमिनेटर से या इक्वल होता है. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में हमारे पास होल नंबर में फ्रैक्शन होती है. यूनिट फ्रैक्शन में हमारे पास 1 आता है. 1 हमेशा यूनिट फ्रैक्शन में हमारे पास न्यूमरेटर 1 होना चाहिए. एंड नाउ इन proper fraction we know that numerator is less than the denominator, so 3 by 7 is a proper fraction. E. In a proper fraction, the denominator is greater than the numerator, equal to the numerator, less than the numerator, a multiple of the numerator. Now dear students, we know that in proper fraction the denominator is greater than the numerator, so this option is correct. Now dear students, today we covered question 1, 2 and 3. Dear students, Allah Hafiz.